What's going on, everyone? It's Rich and Berrycat. Quick video for you. This is export related, documentation related. So pay close attention because we've had a situation with our current export in Nigeria. We have finally cleared customs and my consignment has been released. And we are working on getting a truck right now to truck the consignment from Lagos to the village in Akwa Ibom. This is our cement mixer, brick making machine, and saw compactor. The holdup, if you want to know, if you're asking or wondering what the holdup was, it's documentation. The bill of lading was misfiled. The bill of lading was misrepresented on the Chinese side, which ended up becoming an issue on the Nigeria side. So this is something that you want to keep in mind. If you're exporting goods, groupage, less than container loads, or even container loads from China to Nigeria via sea, you have to make sure that your bill of lading reflects the item that you are shipping. In our case, it was consolidated into one particular item. They filed the HS code on the one item, even though we had 4 different products in the consignment. It was filed under just one item, which ended up causing a lot of headaches for us in Nigeria. So remember, and this is the note for your shipper on the Chinese side. When you're doing groupage or you have multiple items that you are shipping, just for the sake of simplicity, so you don't face any problems in Nigeria, you have to inform them to list every item that you're shipping on that bill of lading. So in our case, we have 4 items that we shipped. We have the brick machine. We bought an extra mold that should have been listed on the bill of lading but wasn't. We bought the saw compactor and then the cement mixer. So those 4 items should have been listed on the bill of lading, but they weren't. Only one item was listed. And what they did was they ended up taking everything, because it was all construction related. They put everything together and listed it under just one item, brick machine. And then when it got to the Nigeria side and customs were inspecting, when customers inspected a product, they noticed that why was it that only one item was listed and not all 4 items? That was what caused the 2-week delay of us going back and forth. They ended up paying them a little bit of money just to get the goods released. And I'm happy to say that they've been released. So take note, guys. Make sure that your bill of lading, you're gonna need 3 things. What is on the bill of lading has to reflect what's on the commercial invoice, as well as the packing list. Those 3 documents, the items on those 3 documents have to match. Okay? Just want to put this out there and let you guys know. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, share, and comment. My name is Rich and Berrycat. Talk to you guys later.